And this is the third and final part of the reset ECU request video natin.
Yeah, the TPS.
Throttle positioning, yeah? Diba?
Yeah, correct. But before that,
please subscribe to our channel.
kung saan mo talaga kinukuha yan.
Hirap na nga ako.
Oo, diba? Okay. This is how.
Watch the video.
The uses of this process is for when you do replacement of the sensor and throttle body. This should be done also kapag naglinis ka ng throttle body. For us to give you a clear view of the sensor, let's open the lower fairings. Pwede nyo hindi tanggalin as long as you know which sensor, which wire to remove, and how to remove. Now that it's open, let's remove the temperature sensor. Watch it. To remove sensor, just push in the inner part of the ASI, then pull. That one. Let us start. Make sure the bike is off. Install jumper on DLC. Now install jumper on the sensor. On ignition. Within 5 seconds, remove jumper from the sensor. See blink. Off ignition.
Recap again?
So same pa rin yung jumper wire dun sa may near the battery.
Yeah.
Tapos
This
yung
time?
sensor,
Yeah.
doon may kakabit, may panibago kang jumper cable dun.
Correct.
After nun, pagkakabit ng jumper wire,
On.
turn on the ignition, tapos wait for 5 seconds and then tanggalin mo yung jumper wire doon sa mismo
temperature sensor.
Tapos
Then,
wait for 3 seconds kasi makikita mo yun, magbiblink siya
Yeah,
ulit eh.
slow blink siya.
Slow blink.
As
then,
confirmation na sa ginawa mo.
Oo. Then, off the ignition.
Yes. So, risk. Again, the risk.
Kung mali ka ng kabit ng wire, magsho-short,
Yung
pwede
ECU natin,
masisira
diba?
ECU, baka masunog, mag-short, whatever.
Yeah. Magastos yun.
Then after that, ano pala, turn mo ulit yung ignition, then paandarin mo yung makina.
Yeah, let it idle for 10 minutes. Again, it's an opportunity for you to teach the bike.
To learn again.
To learn again.
Yep.
Para siyang kid, no?
Aral ka
Nursery, grade 1, kaso natatapos to for the bike.
continuous.
Yes, hanggang ayaw mo na sa kanya. Okay?
Right.
So that's it for us.
Thank you. Kung may mga request pa kayo, questions, request, comment, send us a message, then
Yeah.
we'll try to
May nag-raise
Make a
ng
video.
hand doon dumanda. Anyway, see you again, guys.
ride safe.
Paano po ulit pag-reset? Pwede yung pakiulit.
Arrasa con fuerza a todo el mundo, marea y que la vean y que le hagan lo que sea. Profesora me luquea, me deja sexo tarea. Una posición aquí, ella quiere mucho y que varía. Tiene su toque, tiene su piel provocativa, activa. Conquista con su belleza masiva. Atrapa en sus redes viéndose inofensiva. Colectiva, alterada, una bomba de tiempo explosiva. Ahora que te tengo no pienso soltarte. Hacerte lo mismo poco a poco, retomarte. Piel con piel de controlarte. Besarte, devorarte. En la cama hacerte dos partes. Hace tiempo que no te veía. No sabía nada de ti. Pero esta noche que